Alright, this is section 10-6. This is on area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. So we're going to find the area of some different shapes. So I'm going to start with example number 1. Alright, on number 1 we're going to find the area of this parallelogram. First start with the formula, A equals BH. So in finding the area, we know the base is 14 and the height is 12. So 14 times 12, anybody know what that is? 188? Let's see if I'm right. $168. That's just off. So our area for this one is 168 feet squared. Let's move on to example 2. Alright, so in example number 2 we have a triangle. In order to find the area of a triangle, you must first take the formula, 1/2 BH or 0.5 BH. And in this formula, we're going to plug in all the missing information. So first of all is 1/2, times it by the base. The base is always just the length of the triangle on the bottom. So in this case it's a 7, and then the height is 4.2. Height is always at a right angle. So let's go ahead and do our math here. Half of 7 is 3.5. Or you could take half of 4.2, which is 2.1. So I think that would be an easier one. 2.1 times 7, one decimal place. Our final answer is 14.7 meters squared. And that is the area of the triangle on question 2B. Alright, let's go to example 3. Alright, in this example, in example 3, we have a trapezoid. And so first we've got to start with the formula for a trapezoid, which is 1/2 times parentheses B1 plus B2 H. So we're going to plug things in now. B1 and B2 are always the parallel lines on a trapezoid. So this would be 1/2 times. Alright, so it's, like I said, 1/2 times parentheses. B1 and B2 are 3 1/4 and 6 1/2. And then we're going to times by H, which is always, again, at a right angle. In this case, it's 4. It's the distance between B1 and B2 at a right angle is what the height is. So as we solve this now, we're going to add first. And if you can do some quick math in your head, that would be 9 3/4. If you would make that 2 and 4, you would have 3/4 there. So 9 3/4 times by 1/2 and times by 4. Well, again, now we're multiplying. I know that I can do half of 4, which is 2. Half times 4 is 2. So now I can take 9 3/4 times 2. And you know, there's a couple ways we could do that also. Take those and multiply them. I'll write those up here. Make that 2/1. Might want to do the C here. There are a couple shortcuts, you might know them. But in this case we get 39. 39 over, be 4 times 9, which is 36, plus 3 is 39 over 4, times by 2/1. And I'm going to cross cancel. This would be 1 and 2. 2/4 is 1/2. So this is 39 over 2. And if we were to divide that, 39 divided by 2 would be 19.5, or 19 1/2, or 39 over 2, you could say, inches squared would be the final area. And that is example 3. Best of luck, my furry friends.